The Container FX Jitter Position will allow us to jitter the position of a series of containers. We have a full screen graphic set up here in that we have several subcontainers of a main group here. So we're just going to grab this Container FX Jitter Position and drop it onto our main group. We'll go into the Container FX Jitter Position properties, and our progress percentage here is what we wanted to adjust. As we start increasing this up to 100%, you can see how it's jittering the position of each container here. Now there are a lot of different settings in here. Like the other Container FX settings, we have the directions that you can change. It's set to start by default. You have your linear and your soft, which interpolates your keyframes. You have your effect range with your choice of horizontal, tree, or vertical. But what's different in this one is that you have your use axis here. You have your X axis that you can just set it to. So now it will only jitter on the X axis. And with this axis, you have a range here. So you can decrease the range of how much you want it to jitter. So if you increase the starting range, and then you can also have the randomness here as well. There's also selections for the Y axis. We change it to the Y axis and it now only jitters on the Y. Then you can also do it on the Z. It's moving forward and backwards now within the Z position. You also have other choices here to affect two axes at once. Here's an XY, then an XZ, a YZ, and finally you have your X, Y, and Z. It's going to adjust all three axes together.